Welcome to this video, all of you. How are you? Okay, this is lecture number 20. We already covered up from lecture 1 to 19 for the solution of supplementary problem of this book, Vector Analysis by M.R.Spiegel. Okay, you know, all of you, that this is a very important book for BSc and BSc Physics and Mathematics honors, and this is very important for IIT JAM examination also. That's why we decided to solve the supplementary problem of this book. And today we want to solve the 4.42 to 4.549 of chapter 4, which consists of gradient, divergence and curl. And for the previous lecture or the previous solution of the supplementary problem or the full playlist, you can see the description box and get the total playlist, or you can go through that YouTube channel, you get the all the videos regarding this. Okay, so go to the solving to question 4.42 to 4.98 in this video. Okay, the question 4.42 says, suppose phi equals to, phi is a scalar function which is 2x z to the power 4 minus x square y. Find grad phi and the mod of grad phi, that means the scalar value of this gradient. This is called the gradient at this point. Okay, so we know the formula of the gradient. Grad phi is nothing but I cap del phi del x. Del is the partial derivative, and this is del phi del y plus k cap del phi del z. Okay, so I cap, you if we partial derivative with this phi with respect to x, we will be get 2z to the power 4 minus 2x y plus j cap del phi del y. If we partial derivative with respect to y, you get minus x square, and k cap with respect to z, you get the 488x z cube. Okay, so at that point, grad phi at 2 minus 2 minus 1, just put the value. So I cap 2 z to the power 4, that is 1 minus 2, x is 2, y is minus 2, this become plus, and plus j cap minus x square, that is minus 2 square, plus k cap 8, x is 2, y is z is minus 1 whole cube, there is a minus. Okay, so this become 2, and this is 2 to 4 for 8, this is become the 10 I cap, and this become the 4 minus 4 j cap, and this is the minus 16 k cap. This is the grad phi at that point. We need to find out the modulus or the magnitude of this gradient of phi, which is nothing but the 10 square plus 4 square plus 16 square, which is given as the value of 2 root 93. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Go to the next question. 4.43 says, suppose a is a vector and phi is a scalar function, find this. Okay, so for that we need to find out the grad phi. So at first we want to find out the grad phi, which is I cap del del x del phi del x j cap del del y of phi, or del phi del y, plus k cap del del z of phi. Okay, so this will be become, if you derivative partial derivative with respect to x, you get 3x square y, then with respect to y, if you derivative with respect to y, minus x cube, and then with respect to z, you will be get 2. So at that point, grad phi at 1 minus 1 and 1, 1 minus 1 1, what is the value? 1 minus 1 minus, that is I cap minus 3x square. X square means the 1 square is 1 or y is minus 1, so this becomes plus j cube x cube minus x cube, that is 1 cube, that is 1, plus k cap 2. So this will be become 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap, 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap, and the vector a vector at that point. So a vector at that point, what is the value of a vector at that point? 1 minus 1 1, this will be becomes 2 into 1, that is 2 I cap, and 3 minus 3, y is minus 1, z is 1 j cap, plus x is 1 z square, that is 1 square k cap. So this will be become 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. This is the a vector. So now we need to find out the a vector dot grad phi. So a vector is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap dot I grad phi is 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap, and you know the dot product same is 1, so I1 this is 6, JJ1 that is minus 3, KK1 that is plus 2. So this will be become 5. Now what is the value of A cross grad phi? This is the cross product. You know the cross product I cap, J cap, K cap. You don't know, then go to the previous lecture or video. Okay. So A is the solution. A vector is nothing but 2, 3, 1, and grad phi is 3 minus 1, 2. So what is the value? That is I cap 6 minus 1 plus 1 plus J cap 3 minus 4 plus k cap minus 2 minus 9. So this will be become 7 I cap minus j cap minus 11 k cap. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Go to the next question. 4.44 says f is a function, g is another function, find gradient of f plus g and gradient of. So you know this is nothing but grad f plus grad g. This is the identity, and this will become grad f g plus this is for A and this is for B, and this is f into grad g. So we need to find out the gradient of f and gradient of g. So at first, gradient of f is nothing but I cap del f del x plus j cap del f del y plus k cap del f del z. Okay, so I cap del f del x, if we derivative with respect to x, this will become 2xz, and if we respect to this, so this will be y by x square e to the power y by x. This is I cap. For j cap with respect to y, this term is 0, this term is 1 by x e to the power y by x, and for k cap this will be z, so x square. So at this point, grad f at 1 0 minus 2, what is the value? 1 0 minus 2, this is 1, this is minus 2, this become, this is 1, this is minus 2, so this is minus 4, and since y is 0, so this become 0. Similarly, j cap 1 by x, x is 1, e to the power 0 is 1, and k cap x square means 1 square. So this will becomes minus 4 I cap minus 4 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This is the gradient of phi at this at that point. Similarly, we can find the gradient of g. What is the value of gradient of g? I cap del g del x plus j cap del g del y plus k cap del g del z. Okay, so I cap del g del x means if you derivative with respect to x, then there will be minus y square plus j cap del g del y del y means 2z square minus 2x y plus k cap del g del z, and that means 4z y. So grad g at this point 1 0 minus 2, so y is 0, so this becomes 0, and this is the minus 2 whole square, that is 4, 4 into 1 8 j cap, and y is 0, so this become the 8 j cap. Is the any wrong with respect to y? So this is the 0, right? Okay, okay, is there any wrong? Grad g is 8 j cap. Okay, okay, so now we can find for a, for question A, gradient of f plus g is nothing but gradient of f plus gradient of g, and gradient of a you get, this is the gradient of f equals to minus 4 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and gradient of g is 8 j cap. So this will be becomes minus 4 I cap plus 9 j cap plus k cap. For b, gradient of fg, this is nothing but gradient of f into g plus gradient of g into f, right? So gradient of f, you know, minus 4 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. What is the value of g? So we need to find out g at, so So if at that point will be if we put 1 0 minus 2, so 1 0 minus 2, so 1 minus 2, that is minus 2, and e to the 0 is 1, so this is minus 1. And for g, if we put 1 0, this is 0 means 0, so g is 0. Since g is 0, this will become 0, and grad g is nothing but 8 j cap, and what is the value of I, which is minus 1, so this will becomes minus 8 j cap. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Go to the next question. Find gradient of RQ. This is a most important question, or this is an important formula. We got the important formula which will be very useful in the next solving the question. Okay, so this see this carefully. So you know R vector is nothing but I cap x plus j cap y plus k cap z, right? So what is the value of R? R is nothing but the modulus of R, which is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so grads of this means are nothing but the x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power 3 by 2. So this will becomes I cap del del x of this, that is the x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power 3 by 2 plus j cap del y of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power 3 by 2 plus k cap del x of del z of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so if we partially derivative this with respect to x, we will we get that is 3 by 2 minus 1, that is half x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power half, and the derivative of x square is 2x. Similarly, you get in case of y, half x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power half into 2y, and in case of k cap, this is also half x square plus y square, this will be 3 by 2. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power half into 2z. This half and 2 cancel out, and this taken as common, y square x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power half as a common, you get I cap x plus j cap y plus k cap z. So this is nothing but the R, and this is the R vector. This will becomes R vector. Oh, sorry, this is 3 by 2. Mistake. This is 3 by 2 derivative power at the front. 3 by 2. So they are equal 3. So the answer of this question will be 3 R vector. Okay, or you can say 3 R square R cap. Just like a derivative, you can derivative 3 with respect to r, so this will be 3 r square and put a r cap. Simple process. This is the formula. Go to the next question. This is a important formula. This is the example of that. This is the generalized form of the previous question. Okay, so go to solve this question. There's f of r, so this is nothing but I cal del f del x plus j cap del f del y plus k cap del f del z. So this can be written as the I cap del r del f del r into del r del x, and this can be written as df dr, because the f is function only of r, so this is the df dr into del f, sorry, del r del y plus k cap df dr into del r del z. Okay, so what is the value? You can take the common of df dr, and within this you get we cap I cap del r del x. What is the value of del r del x? R is, you know, the value is root under x square plus y square plus z square. So what is the value of del r del x? Del r del x is nothing but 1 by 2 root under x square plus y square plus z square, and the partial derivative of this is nothing but 2x. So you can write as this x by, this is the r, so this is nothing but the x by r. Similarly, you can say j cap, this is, will be y by r, and this is the z by r. So you take 1 by r as a common, and this is can be written as f prime r, and I cap x plus j cap y plus k cap z can be written as r vector. So this will becomes f prime r, r vector by r. This is sometimes written as r cap. So this is the generalized formula of partial of the gradient of any vector function. Just derivative with respect to r and put a r cap, you get will be the answer. Okay, so this is the gradient of f of r, can be written as like that. Go to the next question. Evaluate this function. Gradient of r 3r square minus 4 root r plus 6 by 3 root cube of r. So just separate out these three parts. This is nothing but you can separate out the constant as well. So these three can taken as the outside, r square minus 4 gradient of root r plus 6 gradient of 1 by uh, root cube of r. Okay, so in using this previous formula, you can say just partial derivative, just derivative with respect to r and put a r cap. So by derivative of this will be 2r, 2r and put a r cap. Similarly for root r is 1 by 2 root r, put a r cap. Similarly this is nothing but minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is the r to the power minus 4 by 3. So this will be r to the power minus 4 by 3 into r cap. Okay, so this can be written as 6 r cap minus 2 r to the power minus half r cap plus 6, and no sorry, there is a minus 1 by 3, there is a minus 1 by 3, there is a minus 1 by 3. So this will become minus 2 r to the power minus 4 by 3 r cap. If you put the value of r cap, if I put the value of r cap as a r vector by r, so this will becomes r vector by r vector by r minus 2 r to the power minus half r vector by r minus 2 r to the power minus 4 by 3 r vector by r, right? So you can say these r cancel out, so this 6 minus 2 to the minus 1, so r to the power minus 3 by 2, and this is minus 1, you get r to the power minus 7 by 3, and this is 2, and whole you can common as the r vector. This is the answer of this question. Go to the next question. Let the gradient of u is this, find out u, and gradient of u is nothing but u prime with respect to r into r cap or r vector by r. So you can say the compared to this, you can say this u prime r by r is nothing but 2 r to the power 4. So what is the value of u prime r? U prime r is the 2 r to the power 5. So u r is nothing but the integration 2 r to the power 5 dr with some constant. So you can say this is the 2 r to the power 6 by 6, 2 r to the power 6 by 6, 2 r to the power 6 by 6 plus constant. So this is nothing but the r to the power 6 by 3 plus constant. So this is the solution of this question. Go to the next question. Find phi of r where grad phi equal to this, and this is the initial condition to get the condition constant value. Okay, grad phi is nothing but written as phi prime r into r cap. Okay, so if you compare with this r vector by r to the power 5, r vector can be written as r cap by r to the power 5. So this is 1 by r to the power 4 into r cap. Compare this to a phi of r is 1 by r to the power 4. So phi of r is nothing but integration dr by r to the power 4 plus some constant. So this is nothing but r to the power minus 4. So r to the power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus c. This is minus 1 by 3 r to the power 3 plus c. Put the constant, initial constant, which is phi 1 equals to 0. So 0 is nothing but, put the value of r is 1, so minus 1 by 3 plus c. What is the value of c? C is 1/3. So you can say phi of r is nothing but the minus 1 by 3 r cube plus 1 by 3. So 1/3 you take the common, 1 minus 1 by r cube. This is the solution of this question. Okay, thank you. This is all for today, and this is all about me, and this is my contact details. You can contact with me by WhatsApp for regarding question of physics, and this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this channel and get the all the video, and subscribe this channel if you are new in this channel. To get the information updated from the new video, you must press the bell icon. Take care of you, and we will meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.